Okay, today I wanted to make a Paiute deadfall trap and show you how it's done. So, hang on. Okay, we're out here in this giant willow bush. And for a Paiute deadfall trap, you just want one long stick. Or a couple of them, so then you can chop it up. So we'll take this one, okay, and this one too, and then I'll chop it up and show you how to tie it up and make one. Okay, we're out here by the fire pit. You're sitting on it for a little bit more ease of filming. So you want two main sticks. This is your post and one of these, I don't know what to call this, like a lever. Okay, that's your two main sticks. And then you'll have a bait stick that holds a little piece over here, and then your whole rock sits on your lever. Okay, so this will be our bait stick. And I think people in the desert use these a lot to catch mice and chipmunks. I'm not very informed on where all the Paiute Indians lived, but okay, there's your bait stick. And you'll either, depending on your log size, you'll have to like chop this down, and you might want to like shave it smaller, but that'll do for right now. Okay, let me start with this guy. Cut it right here. It's not super important how it looks. And you don't even need a round stick. You can actually make these out of regular, like, square boards. So everybody uses square sticks because that's what round sticks because that's what you find in nature. So we'll chop it right here, and you'll have this part for your post. And you just kind of score the outside with your knife, go around the entire thing, and just kind of bend it, and it pops right off, and it gives you pretty clean break. Just pop these little furries off. Okay. And here's that. Just gonna take these. And just like in the spring-loaded trap, you're gonna want to put a bit of a notch in here, so that the top of your post will hook on. Just a little bit easier. And you can flatten this part and then a rock will sit on it, right? Kind of like that. See that? It's flat right here. Okay. And here's your bait, our top post. So you gotta shape this down so it's shape both sides. So it's kind of like a blade. Okay. And then this part goes on there like that. Okay. For this strap, you will need some rope. So I got some paracord here. And I'm gonna make this a little shorter. Okay. And you'll wanna like cut a little notch in here, so that your string doesn't fall off. Make it a little rougher. But this is your lever stick, okay? So you want to get like the inside core. You'll just need one string of your paracord. Okay, one just little strand. Because it's plenty strong enough to take care of it. Then you do a trucker's hitch or some type of friction knot to get it on there, and then it won't slip. You can use a square knot, you can use a whole bunch of other stuff, but trucker's hitch usually seems to work. Okay, so now you have your lever post with a string, your regular post, your bait stick, and a little bit of you'll want a little bit of another stick. Shape part of it down so it's kind of flat. I just cut it in half. Then you notch it on both sides for your string. This wood's not the greatest, so I'll find some and get back to you. Okay, got a hunk of 2x4 and notched it for our string. And then you just kind of wrap it around a couple of times and then tie it. And usually your where you put this, okay, the distance in between here determines how high, like, the angle your stick's gonna be at. Like that. So now that I got everything, I'll use a rock and set it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you got your post stick, okay? You don't want to stick it in the ground. You just want it floating there without sparks. So we'll do the other way. Okay, that goes flat on the ground. This part goes on there kind of like that, and this thing will wrap all the way around, kind of like that. But since we got a little bit too much line, you just kind of make a loop and stick it through, and it takes up more of your string, so you don't need to cut it and tie it again. Okay. Then you have some more for extra later if you ever need to take it apart. Okay. So like that. Or down lower. Okay. And then you take this, put it right there. And if you're lucky, with a big enough rock, it'll sit just like that. And you put it against the back end where it's trying to push it forward. Okay. You gotta balance the entire thing. So if you make this shorter, it's lower to the ground, and it keeps the animal from scurrying away if your trap goes off. And then you have to impregnate your bait stick with some bait, like jerky or something, some meat or berries. And then mice will come, they'll come chew on it. And then when they trip it, it does that. So if you want to make this shorter, so that it's not close, like not up in the air as much, okay, like that. Then you just kind of got to tune it. Just take some practice. You can smash your fingers a couple of times, but if it gets you a meal, it's worth it. Okay, and you want enough space so that it can be a little bit forward of your regular post stick. Okay, so I'll jam this in here. You can have your bait stick. You can have your bait stick up against here, like hooked on a rock, because this will normally be a rock, not a 4x4. And then it won't, it'll just fall. Okay? So, yeah, like that. It's really, really touchy and it works good. So, that's how you make a Paiute deadfall. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.